Welcome to Orlando Science Center After Dark. In other words, me.
This adult-only event is held every few months at the Orlando Science Center, themed around different things. This one is, of course, Halloween. Let me show you around, and then let's see if we can win a costume contest. They have a beer garden photo op. Let's see what this is like. Oh, it's that thing right there. Okay. That's funny. So you can get a beer flight here. Here are the beers. The line is not that bad for the beer. It is extremely long for the mixed drinks. So I'm gonna probably not get either because I don't like beer. Down here they have all these cool physics and pulley interactive things that you can play with. So it's a lot of fun. I played with them last time I was here. It's so much fun. They've also got video games. You can watch Ghostface down there, Dance Dance Revolution. This really fun interactive section here for Guinness World Records. This is one of their older exhibits with kinetic energy. Okay, the flight simulators are pretty awesome.
Hi, Beaker. There we go.
There's not a ton of stars to see, but they have the fancy telescopes out for people. So I did get a beer flight. I'm probably not going to like it, but it was free, which is the right price because I don't like beer. And there were little pretzels. And Portillo's is here, and Portillo's had some chocolate cake. And here you can make all kinds of puppets. They have sock puppets, shadow puppets. They have finger puppets. We're making a sock puppet. We have a model.
There he is. A hand model. They get paid a lot of money to be here. Don't underestimate them.
You know, Ryan Serhant was a hand model before he did Millionaire Listing or whatever it's called. So maybe you'll be the next real estate mogul.
Everybody's getting into real estate nowadays. It might as well be a sock puppet. Might as well get into it too.
It'd be a very unique hand-to-hand realty.
That's it. No, that's a great name. You already got the name.
Am I doing this right?
I don't know. No one does. So how long do you want the hair to be?
As long as it decides to grow. We're very natural.
Just letting it flow?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is very French.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a balding sock that refuses to admit that it's seen better days. You know, it should really consider going to Turkey and getting the procedure done. It's fairly cheap in Turkey, I hear.
Maybe we get him a hat.
These are hats might work too. But scissor. There we go. What do you think? Let's give him some eyes.
What color eyes do you want?
Green.
Green?
Yeah. Oh, look at you.
I do embroidery in my free time.
And she knows how to be like right in camera.
I do.
It's all that work at WDWC.
That's it. I know where to. People call me the moth because I can always find the spotlight.
Yeah.
So you do that.
Lucas knows how to avoid it, and you know how to find it.
That's exactly it. We're made for each other. First sock? Is it your first sock?
This is my first sock.
It's your first sock.
We're only going to give her one eye. She was in a horrific accident. It's okay. It happens. This is my sock puppet. What do you think?
Let's see the final result. Wow, what happened?
Helene.
Helene?
No, this is Helene.
Okay.
This is Helene. This is she is the sock puppet version of the disaster that is Helene.
That's perfect.
All right, Helene, you may show up in more videos later.
That's in me.
Okay, I've officially entered the costume contest. You can only enter one category, so I entered best overall. I don't know what everybody's entering as. There's some good competition here. We'll see what happens. The prize is some sort of tequila set. Funniest category, the French pole vaulter right here. That is hilarious. It's the Olympic Dream Team. Okay, that's funny.
I was telling her I had that same problem, you know. I like this first one. Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and Beaker. Yo, it's not appropriate. I'm like, going on here. All right, so the final best overall. I have got a 3-piece tequila set, 2 tickets to Orlando Science Center Science and Wine event, and 2 tickets to Science on Tap. And the winner is Timer and his mermaid! Timer and the mermaid, come on down! Give it up, ladies and gentlemen!
Oh well, we did not win. Still a lot of fun. They have 3D printing going on, custom 3D coasters.